This is a must-try graham float in a cup. It is simple to make and perfect for hot summer days. Fresh mango flavor that is so sweet and creamy whipped cream. This is such a heavenly dessert that is so indulgent yet easy to make. You'll only need 4 to 5 ingredients. So let's get started. But first off, ensure that the mangoes are sweet. Okay, if sour, toss them or do not use in this recipe. Kasi very important that the mangoes are sweet. Okay, so we'll only need whipping cream, crushed graham, lemon juice optional, salt, condensed milk, and ripe mangoes. For the list of ingredients, kindly check the description box para guideline lamang sa mga sangkap. Alright, so in a bowl, pour in the whipping cream. Gumamit ako dito ng mga 2 cups. 2 cups ng whipping cream. Pwede naman gagamit lang tayo dito ng 1.5 cups, okay? And then i-whip natin ito, I'd say mga about 5 to 6 minutes on high using a handheld mixer or pwede naman yung stand mixer, okay? And then i-add na rin natin dito yung condensed milk. Pwede kayong gumamit ng powdered sugar, rather. Maka-rather lang. And salt and lemon juice, okay? I-add na natin dito, i-whip natin yan hanggang sa ma-achieve natin itong ganitong texture. And once it's done, set it aside at i-dice natin yung mangoes katulad nito. Alright? So, kukuha tayo ng cup. Ito yung cup na ginagamit ko. Binili ko lang to online. It's affordable. So, mga 2 tablespoons ng crushed graham crackers, and then whipped cream, and then the diced mangoes, and then repeat yung layering. Okay, right? So, pwede naman whipped cream muna, and then the crushed graham crackers, and then mangoes. Kung ano yung trip nyo. Kasi ako, iba-iba yung trip ko talaga pag gumagawa ako nito. Alright, so that's it. Napakasimple lang gawin ito, guys, at talagang masarap. It reminds me of like childhood memories na kapag na-excite kami kapag mayroong mango float. Ang sarap nito at talagang hindi ka ma-disappoint. So, kung meron kang isang, like for example, friends na hindi pa nakatry ng mango float, like a foreigner, kung gusto nilang mag-request ng dessert, a Filipino dessert, ito yung siniserve ko, ito yung ginagawa ko. Kasi talagang, para siyang Filipino version ng tiramisu. I love tiramisu, so para sa akin, isa siyang version, pero refreshing and healthier. Alright, that's it for today's video. So, depende na yan sa inyo kung ano unahin nyo, yung crushed graham ba or whipped cream. Dito pinapakita ko lang kung yung whipped cream yung ginagamit ko. Mostly whipped cream. Okay? Yeah, that's it. Napakasimple lang, guys. And yun na nga, check the list of ingredients. Nasa description box yan. Click show more. Sa sweetness naman, depende yan sa inyo kung gusto nyo pang magdagdag. Okay, ito ay hindi masyadong matamis. Sakto lang. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. And as always, you guys take care.